Hello everyone, welcome to our brief preview session of Equity Research Summer Project. Now you guys are about to give the test, our scholarship test. Now before that, watch this entire session very carefully and then decide whether you want to go for the test or not. Now without further delay, I'll start the session. Now, first of all, let's understand who we are. We are the money roller. Our core business is into trading and investment. For that trading and investment, we need to do our own indigenous original research. Because according to me, based on my last 10, 11 years experience, if you cannot do your own original indigenous research, you cannot make money in the market. Same for you guys also, same for any retail investor also. Now, 5 to 10% part of that research we carry out with the help of live project, and this Equity Research Summer project comes under that. Believe me guys, in this live project, those who are going to get selected, we will not treat them as students. These students are our colleagues. We will treat them as budding research analysts. Now, apart from that, we are also into corporate training, and we have a tie-up with more than 200 finance colleges in India, and we impart and we discuss our knowledge of financial market with all those students. Now, let's dive into the contents of Equity Research Live project. Now, those who are going to get selected in this live project, they will get one sector, one company. Now, the sector and the company, we will decide for each and every project. So, let's say in the April-May project, if we decide hotel sector or the hospitality sector, so we will find out various companies in that sector, and every students will get individual company, their own individual company to research on. Now, this research may be of top-down or bottom-up research. Now, bottom-up research, 99.99% of the time, research will be top-down. Bottom-up research will not be carried out because that is for experienced analyst. Okay, experienced analyst, but it is 99.99% of the time. Now, research, obviously, we will first go through economic research, then sectoral, and then company. All these research will be in depth. Apart from that, we expect original research from you guys. So most of the time, what happens when we ask anyone to do research, they go to Google and they read 4-5 reports, and then they copy the opinions of those authors in those reports into their own, and they give it as their own research. So in reality, that is not the original research. That is nothing but the crude version of somebody else's research. Now, this kind of research will not make money because that knowledge was there on the internet. I don't know since when. Apart from that, so many people must have read that knowledge, and that knowledge is already there in the market, in the financial market, in the price. So you cannot make money with the help of that research. So original research has to be there. Okay, has to be there. Now, be it economic, sectoral, and company research, we will go in depth. Okay, we will go in depth because especially right now in the economic research, everything all around the world post-COVID, everything is the function of government stimulus, government policies, government budget. So we will do in-depth research of those government policies and their impact on our particular sector. Now, all these things will be carried out in 6 to 8 weeks. So every week you will get one assignment, and you need to submit the assignment within deadline. Okay, so at the end of 8 weeks, 8 assignments will be there, and the aggregate of all these 8 assignments is your final work. Now, those who are going to complete all the assignments within deadline, and those who are going to submit the project within deadline, they will get the internship certificate. Those who are not going to submit the assignments, they will not get the certificate, because let me tell you one thing, guys. In these 8 weeks, every week, these assignments are going to challenge you, because whatever we are doing in this project in these 8 weeks is nothing but industry level research. This is not any college presentation. This is not any PPT for any particular subject. This is industry level project, and we expect industry level research. So every week assignment is going to challenge you. You may need to learn something new. Do the assignment and submit the assignment and project at the end. If you can do this for 8 weeks, believe me guys, in only 2 months, your confidence, your knowledge level, and your perspective related to financial markets will get catapulted into another orbit, But you need to show dedication, because based on our analysis and experience, more than 40% of the students, they drop out in between the project. Do not do that. But those who have completed the project in last 5 years, they have performed amazingly well in the placement season also, and in the industry also. So please be aware of this and do not drop out in between. Now, I know most of you guys are now like Alice in Wonderland, because 95% of the students, those who are fresher, they do not know how to do industry research. 99% of the students, they do not know how to do original research. Not to worry guys, for that we have built a systematic procedure where every week we will teach you something, and based on that you need to carry out your research process. But before that also, for live projects, we need ready students, okay? Because 2 months is a very short time to produce industry level research report. So we need ready students for that. That's why we have built a particular process where first there will be online registration. Now you are going to carry out a particular test. Now those who are going to get selected through this scholarship test, okay, listen to me very carefully. Those who are going to get selected through this scholarship test, they will get access to TMR Universe. Now let me show you what is TMR Universe. This is our TMR Live. TMR Live, guys, is our live project platform, experiential learning and live project platform. Entire live project will be carried out on this platform. Now, once you get selected, you will get access to TMR Finance Universe. Now, since we have collaboration with your college, the selected students will get free access to entire website for 3 months. That means the entire duration of live project, you will get free access. Okay, so do not get confused by this subscribe button. This is for those students who come from outside. Okay, but we have collaboration with the college. So scholarship students, they will get free access. Now, before the live project, all the students, those who are going to get selected, they have to go through these videos, these equity research videos. These videos will make you ready for the live project. Now, what are these videos? Let's check it out. So these videos are starting from global macro, domestic macroeconomics. This is the Achilles heel for any budding research analyst, that how to track economics data and then how to analyze them and find out the impact on various sector. All these problems will be tackled in these two video series, global and domestic macroeconomics. Now, let me give you one example. Balance of payment in economics, we learn balance of payment like a table and that's it. But in reality, balance of payment have much deeper impact on any country's economics. So if you learn balance of payment with the help of Eurozone crisis case study, that's it. Now you will completely understand, not completely, but you will understand the repercussions of balance of payment and its calculations. Now, why it is important to learn it through case studies? Because each and every video has case study. What happened, guys? When you learn from the case study, you find out the various scenarios in different conditions. Okay, and in reality, in real life, when you come across such scenarios, you already know the possible outcomes of different scenarios or some scenarios. So you will start building your thought process from that foundation. Let me tell you guys, in finance, in real market, there are no perfect answers. All the time you have to study, you have to think, and based on your fundamentals, you need to produce as per current, you need to produce the solution as per present situation. Okay, so there are no constant answers, and that's why learning from case study is important. Each and every videos has a particular case study which will teach you guys, which will impart knowledge about industry level research. So be it financial statement module, even if you are from commerce, this module is important. For engineers, it is important, obviously, but commerce, it is important because we have analyzed financial statement from the investor's perspective, not accounting perspective. Everybody tells you you should understand management, but what is the process of understanding management? This annual report analysis will tell you that. How to analyze new companies, new IPOs. This module will be important. We have taken one RHP, and then based on that RHP, we have analyzed a particular IPO for you guys. Then there are relative valuation modules, and finally DCF technique. So everything is there in this finance, TMR finance universe. You need to go through it and learn it. Now, let me tell you, after this, you need to go through one more test. Now that test, you need to clear it in order to enter in the live project. Now let's say if you don't clear that test, not to worry. Go back, watch these videos again give the test. If you don't clear the test again go back, watch the videos and give the test. Because our objective is to have live projects or summer project ready students. Okay, that's it. Now, once that is done, once you are in the live project, we will get one sector, one company, correct? Even after that, I know students will not be ready to do a particular sector specific work. So every week, okay, so there are 8 weeks. So I think there will be at least 4 live sessions and some recordings which you will get before any assignment. Okay, at least 4 live sessions and some recordings. Okay, 2-3 recordings you will get before every assignment, and based on that assignment you need to carry out your, based on that video, that session, you need to carry out your research work. Now, why it is important? Because every sector demands different thought process, every sector demands different outlook and different process. Okay, let me tell you one example. So if you want to analyze free cash flow, so we all say if free cash flow is good, company is good. But if you go and check out mining companies' free cash flow, then you will see that their free cash flow is completely different. And this if free cash flow is good, company is good, this uh, broader statement doesn't apply to those companies because their dynamics are such where they need to invest again and again into new mining activities. Okay, so this is just a one example of why you need to tackle every sector differently. Hence, different videos just before the assignment. Apart from that, even after that, I know students will not be ready. So every student will get a particular mentor. Now on this website, you will add mentor as your connection and you can ask various questions to your mentor and mentor will give answers in 24 hours. So since we work in the financial market, in the real financial market, because of that, there is it may take time to give or to respond to your queries. Okay, so the maximum time we take is 24 hours. Normally we give it in less than 10 hours, but still we have kept it at 24 hours. So like this, there are 3 levels of support in this entire live project through TMR Universe, then live project sessions, and then mentorships, correct? And this is how week by week you will complete your research. So there will be original quality secondary research and 4 to 5% of the part may be primary research where we will build a particular questionnaire and we will send it online. Now I know when people think about or when they hear primary research, they are like, oh, is this a survey kind of project? No, 5% of the project, and that too if it is required. Okay, only 40% of our project require primary research, and that has a the 40% of the projects has implementation of primary research. So if your sector demands that, we have to do it. Now let me give you one example. So in FMCG, Patanjali is one of the biggest competitor, and if you are analyzing HUL and if you don't know what the impact of Patanjali, then your research is limited, correct? So you need to understand what is the ground reality with respect to Patanjali, correct? So at that time you need to build 10 questionnaire and then send it to your friends and find their views about Patanjali or something else also. But there may be a possibility of primary research. Now let me give you one more example. So this FIIs, when they invest in India just before election, they carry out their own opinion poll and then they invest just before the election. So that will tell you the importance of primary research. So this is our live project, guys. Okay. Now, apart from that, in our TMR universe, there is case study based learning, that is TMR Finance Universe, then live project. Then these two things are there, continuous growth and social media image building, because we want to create this as a win-win situation where those who are going to be the part of this project, we want them to have holistic growth. Now, what we will do during the project, okay, if there is some important event, we will carry out special webinar to explain you those events. And when I say special event, means policy changing big events. We will carry out special webinar to explain you those events, that those are the continuous growth videos. And apart from that, guys, LinkedIn and image building. LinkedIn image building is nothing but, in today's world, every employer is checking you on social media. So what you need to do, you need to build up that social media. Apart from that, to become equity research analyst, you need to express your opinion vividly and clearly, and that requires practice. Hence, every week, after second or third week, every week we will push you guys to express your opinion on LinkedIn and on our TMR Live platform. TMR Live platform is nothing but the community of a community for education and learning. Okay, so and that to professional level learning. So what you need to do every week, read something, analyze something, and build your opinion on that particular subject and write it down. Even if you write 2 lines in first 2 weeks, we are okay. But if you do this for 8 weeks, believe me, your confidence again will be somewhere else in a different orbit, and you will keep on building on that confidence. Okay, so please follow our instructions if you are in the live project. But overall, in this live project, we will try to build you in a holistic manner, and at the same time, you will get to work like an equity research analyst for 2 months. Okay, guys, the post-corona worlds, in post-corona world, market is tight. They want job-ready candidates. There is only one way to be job-ready, and that is by actually doing the job. Now, I'm not telling you come to our project only. My only objective is to tell you that for next 1 year in your life, do multiple internships, do multiple live projects. And if you don't want to do any one of this, open a Demat account and start applying either IPOs or buy one share of particular company and do detailed research on that company for entire 1 year, and then find out whether that company is investable or not. Same thing with the IPOs. If you are applying for 10 IPOs, read 10 DRHPs. Getting my point? By doing this, you will try to solve the problem, and the problem is, where should I invest? If you can find out the answer to that question, you are solving real life problem in finance. So in next 1 year, do multiple internships, do multiple live projects, or do research investment. That's it from my guys. Thank you very much, and all the best for the project. Okay, and all the best for the scholarship test. Thank you. See you. Bye.